Hello?
Are you into me like I'm into you?
So hey guys, we're gonna
Wanna do the things I
take the
wanna
drinks
do
off
with
alone.
you. You're so close and yet so far. I wonder how you look when you're in the dark. Just one click away.
Wedding itself was not the only event these two awaited on their big day. Let's take a look. David and I are both virgins. We believe, you wait till marriage to have sex.
I daydream about the wedding night.
Well, if you have any questions or concerns, I want your mom. I want to be able to help you. What's the biggest fear about going to a date? I would not be concerned about that at all. Penises are designed for vaginas. Oh, final word. Does he know? Have you talked to him about any of this kind of stuff? I don't even think David would want me to talk to you about it.
Hennessy, I need a sponsorship.
For us to talk about intimacy.
We don't have to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it at all.
Nathan, now I'll talk to your pastor about it.
Well, I feel like we should be able to talk about it because we're getting married.
So I'm gonna start.
Yeah, say, can you give me a break? Can't believe you.
I'm using Pond's
I think that I pushed it too far.
for dry skin.
Very conservative way when I have a
My T-zone gets nasty, but look at that.
Yeah, I have some explanation to that.
Okay.
Look at
First
that.
of all, what is it about talking about sex that makes you so
I do makeup real lazy.
Doesn't make me
I use like 3 fucking brushes. I'm not one of those that have multiple brushes. I'm not really going for a specific look right now either. It's really whatever happens, happens. If you see me looking off, I'm looking off into my mirror. I might put it right here today. But yeah, man. Trying to clear up these black spots, but who knows how that's gonna go. So I'm gonna start with my brows. I do my brows really retarded. I make whatever blocky, ugly mess I want to, and then like I'll clean it up with some concealer. I barely have eyebrows, as y'all can see, but just trying. But it's gonna go in. Matter of fact, I'm lying. I need to put on my primer. So right now I've been using some random eyebrow pomade a friend at work gave me. Not really a friend, a shorty. And I can't find my eyebrow brush. What a great day this is so far. How y'all doing in this quarantine? Because I'm about to die. This is like not enough liquor, not enough narcotica, not enough anything for this. It's gonna make me cry, but
what if he's totally fine and just decided not to participate?
I will be very upset because not only is he not here for me right now, but he also has me worried.
How many of you sense that Asin might be a little bit reluctant to come to the States?
so I usually draw my eyebrows,
Things are getting really
then I do the eyes,
He knew about today, but
then I try to do something about this face.
any way possible to contact
But
somebody here.
let's see how it goes.
Upsets you, and it's silly and immature. I would definitely put myself.
And I don't need nobody in the comments judging how I do my eyebrows. Whatever happens, happens.
Well,
Okay?
Nicole, when you
It's my
returned
end
from your
result
first
that
trip to
matters.
Morocco, you were feeling a bit neglected by Asin. You recently went back to his
But I do want to get into doing better techniques and things as such. Is this too loud? I hope this isn't too loud. 90 Day Fiancé is the show to watch. These families they need... I wish they had like real black people to be like, yo, what the fuck are you doing?
Like, I am here for him, and he's going out.
Like, I'm not sending no man in Morocco money for anything.
You have dinner. But like,
Much less talking to a man in Morocco. Like, I don't live there. This girl has been like legit sending
trying to get you to talk to me.
so much money, taking money from her mom,
This is what happened.
lying about it.
Okay?
All this shit just to like, for this man that doesn't want her, that calls her lazy, calls her fat, all this extra shit. He knew what she was before he got there. If he not happy with that, don't get with that. See what I mean? I draw these big ass blocks, they look stupid.
I just send him to my family. I stole everything they see. I tried to make sure.
You left me in Grenada. You didn't meet me there.
And I want everything.
You can't kiss me in public. Why?
It's not fair as friends.
But
Disrespectful to me just because of what I did.
90 Day Fiancé, I don't know how y'all keep getting people to sign up for these things, but I see y'all bag.
What's it like to see your daughter so upset and
I don't want any of that bag. I didn't put on any clear gel. I usually put some clear eyebrow gel before I start. No. They hold them in place a lot better for me, and then it's easier for me to draw on. This is why I'm wondering why my eyebrows look like this today. I'm over here wondering why my eyebrows over here looking like this today. So I'm taking some clear brow gel. I'm just gonna like fix these brows. I'm gonna like move them upward. And then I'm gonna like, bam. Just to put them in place and make sure if I do put any more product, which I probably am because this looks trash right now, into place like such. And when I conceal and stuff, it's gonna look like a whole nother eyebrow. So I could care less what it looks like right now. But let me dry it real quick.
no message, Nicole?
Let's see how much more it picks up. Look at that.
You want to be able to feel stable.
Nicole, at this point, how sure are you that you want to marry Adam?
She better say she's not sure.
I know that being in the marriage and relationship means that you have to compromise with things, and I've been trying so hard. We've actually both been trying really hard to.
You guys have not been both trying hard about anything because
Sophomore and everything has been so great.
word on the street is Asin got a wifey
Probably at this point,
and some kids.
that the relationship is
The wife is not a problem because of his religion and his culture,
very different personalities with
but
very different cultures
real wife
trying to blend into one.
don't want to give him
Marriage is blending into one.
the permission
Nicole, I
to
really
marry
hope
Shorty.
that things get better.
But everybody already knows he's not marrying Shorty to
Whatever that.
be in love.
And I want to say thank you to all of the couples. You guys have been great.
You marrying Shorty to be
Thanks so much.
on TV for the little bread America does have. All these things you don't want, she. You don't want she. I'm gonna just fix this one first so y'all not sitting here looking at this crazy ass brow. I don't know why I draw them on like a big ass block, because I really do like a skinny ass brow. I messed it up a little bit, but I'm gonna fix that. I really do like a skinny brow, which I like to bring it down to my concealer, down here to my eyelids, so I can like fix it later when I do concealer and not concealer, do eyeshadow and other things. I'm gonna put a medium beige on my eyebrow as well. I'm using LA Girl, but you know, cheap and lazy on a budget is my go. I usually connect it like a unibrow because I'm stupid like that. I swear, every time I'm on YouTube and I finish watching one show, it has the nerve to continuously run into Love and Hip Hop. Like, I do not want to keep watching these recaps. YouTube, please stop. Like, if you need to know my fucking account, you have it already. Please. Didn't watch Marriage Boot Camp, though. That's what I didn't watch. So if you hear that in the back, leave your Marriage Boot Camp comments down below. I want to hear these lie detector questions. Let's go. Because I really think that Jocelyn and what is his name? I can't remember his name right now, but Ballistic. There we go. Jocelyn and Ballistic are definitely, they should be get together. I'm all for them. I'm not always a Jocelyn fan, but for this one, I give it to her because he seems like a good man. He just gets upset about the typical things a man would get upset about. Don't embarrass your man outside. You know what I mean? Don't be out here twerking for people you don't fucking know. Like, after a while, when you hit a certain age, you gotta quit that kind of stuff. And I feel like Jocelyn is more than past that age where she should just not care about social media, but people love what they love, so you really can't tell them much about that either. But it'll work out for some. See how I need y'all to understand. I'll draw a block, but I'll give you something better. Ooh, I messed it up. I talked too much. And Michelle, I know your voice has always been like that, but baby, I love me a skinny brow. I really want to try some e-girl makeup because I see y'all are into that. And I want to attempt because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not one of those gurus. I'm not none of that. I just typically like to get cute sometimes and see how it works, you know? Sometimes I like to get cute by myself and be like, yo, bitch, I think you look good. And as long as you feel that way about yourself, what you need a dude to tell you that for? What do you need a dude to tell you that for if you can do it for yourself, baby? You know what? I feel like I need all my females on here to set an alarm every morning, typical around the time you up and awake. No, not just up, getting up from your nap or whatever we doing during this quarantine. Set an alarm and remind that bitch to tell you that bitch. Remind yourself that you are that and no one could like legit put you down no matter whatever the hell it is. Let yourself bring yourself happiness. Not these niggas. You get disappointed every time. And I don't think that's their goal or their agenda. I just don't think that anybody can make you happy as much as you can make yourself happy. Because you know what you want. You know what makes you happy. And no one will understand that more than yourself. Okay? Bow. Brows. Bow. Oh, let's make you a little sharper. My eyebrow should not take 15 minutes. I think it's because I'm talking too much. But we're going to, you know, we're going to do what we do. So, okay guys, we're back. So we're working with passion fruit and Hennessy.